Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Today is Monday's Crochet Chat, and I'd like to go ahead and say thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you to all my returning subscribers, and I appreciate you guys so much. Well, I have a few things to show you in this video, so go ahead and grab you something to drink. Of course, mine is just good old black coffee for the moment. I do have some flavored coffee in there that I plan on trying out today. And thank you to one of my Yarny peeps that gifted that to me for Christmas. I appreciate that very much, and I'm very excited to get into that. And all the candy that was gifted to me at Christmas is gone. It's all been ate up. And it was so good. So thank you guys so much for the chocolates and stuff like that. So yeah, the first thing I want to show you guys, now that you've got you something to drink, you're sitting back and you're relaxing this morning, let's go ahead and see what I have. The first thing I'd like to show is this right here. This is the Etimo crochet hook. I'm going to show this to you guys. So do you think that I like it, or do you think I don't like it? What do you think is going to be the outcome on this? Okay, guys, so this is the hook that I've been using for a while now. This is a clover. And I buy these on Amazon, but sometimes if I use a coupon, I'll get it at Joann's. But mostly I just buy them on Amazon. Well, here's my new hook, and I'm very excited about this one. I bought this on Amazon. It's a tulip, I guess the Etimo, is how you say that? Red. It's a 5.0. I bought this as my first one to try on Amazon, and with sales tax, I think it cost me $13.33. And here it is. And this way with it. There we go. And so here's the hook. And I just wanted to compare these to you guys. Now, as you can see, the red is a little bit longer than my clover. Not much, but a little bit. Now, when you turn it sideways, look at that big difference there. Okay. Big difference. Right here, there's an indentation for your finger to go as you crochet, versus this one is flat. It doesn't have that. And oh, how I love that. And believe it or not, I also found out as when I started working with it, this shaft is smooth. I mean, it is super smooth, and it kind of threw me off guard. I wasn't expecting it to be that smooth. And when I was crocheting with it for the first, I don't know, maybe the first few hours, I found myself where the hook was slipping, because it was causing me, I was able to crochet faster because of it being so slick, and my finger just fit right in here. See, my thumb just fits right on that. And so this is basically the way I crochet, like this, with that finger like that. Yep, my finger fits right on there, and I love it. So now I'm going to work on getting one in every size, because they are excellent hooks. I had no idea I would have got these a long time ago. But you can see they are a little bit bigger, or rather a little bit longer than those. And so the red, I think they sell these in black, gray, pink, and then I saw this red, and I think maybe blue. And these are, they come in that one color. So I'm going to work on building up, getting these, and these here will be my backups, because these are good. They're still good. I've just found me a new hook is all that I like even better. There we go. Maybe you can see the design this way. Hope that helps you guys know what you're getting into if you decide that you want to buy these. Okay, as you guys could tell, this is my new favorite hook. This is the tulip. There it is up close. It's my new favorite hook. This thing is like super slick. There it is. I'm working on 2 projects with this right now, and it's giving me a good test because I made this with it, and I am making a blanket with it. The corner to corner, the blue, black, and white blanket I am making with it. So I'm definitely giving this a test run. So, all right. So now that you've seen the crochet hook that I am in love with, let's go ahead and look at this right here. All right, so I went ahead and finished another one of the Shawl in a Ball shawlettes. I had bought this yarn, I think, almost 2 years ago when Hobby Lobby had their clearance. And I was thinking I was gifted this, but then the more I think about it, because it was 2 years ago, I'm thinking that maybe I did get this one. But they were $1.37, and this is how much I had left out of this. Now, the Shawl in a Ball shawlette does call for 518 yards. This one is only 275 yards for this one. But it's okay. I went ahead and just used that one skein, and I had this much left. And I went ahead and stopped, and I tried it on, and I actually like this better. For me, being a small person, I like this better than I did the Shawl in a Ball size, the 5. And so I ended up stopping this because I tried it on to see if I needed to go ahead and, do another skein of this so that it would be the same size as my Shawl in a Ball shawlette, which is about 518 yards. Well, I tried it on, and I actually like this better being shorter. So I'm going to make a few more of these for myself to wear this winter. And I'm going to do them anywhere between that, like 275 to 300, 350, something like that, yards. This is like a 3-weight yarn here. And I really like this size right here. So I'm going to make some more of these. That's how much I like this. Here's what this looks like here's what this looks like in the skein. Isn't that cool? It says Urban Chick, $1.37. Color was gray. It says 275 yards, 78% acrylic, 22% cotton. It's a 3 light. And so I've got 2 of these left. So what I'm going to do is take one of them and put it in my knitting machine and make me a matching hat. You guys know I got to have a matching hat. And the other one, I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I may end up making, I don't know. I've got to make the hat first, and then I'll figure out what I want to do. I think that a hat on my knitting machine will look really good to go with this. But yeah, there's the size right there. Looks like. Very pretty. Now I want to show you guys what I do with this to keep this tied down. Now I only made this. This is from my Shawl in a Ball shawlette, but the yarn that I used, is Urban Chick Yarn Bee. I'm not even sure if they sell this anymore or not because I bought this over a year ago. But it's 78% acrylic, 22% cotton, and it is just a beautiful colorway. So I have this gray cardigan right here and this gray undershirt, and I was like, I need something to go with that. So I found this yarn. Well, one ball of this, or one skein of this, made this size right here. And it's not that big. So I probably could have, I could have went ahead and went with 2 because the original pattern calls, for this right here, and it's like 500 and something yards in it. Well, this is only like 275. So, but I like the length of it. See, when I put it up to me, I think the length is just perfect right here. So but then this didn't tie and stay on as well as, a bigger one would. So here's what I do, guys. I take this right here, both ends, and I go around like that, pull my hair out, and while it's out, so that it will stay in place for me, I take a rubber band right here, and I take these 2 pieces, and I go underneath, and I pull this here, kind of out of my way. I pull this out of my way. Like that. And then I just take the rubber band and I just tie it like that. And that keeps it in place for me while I'm out. Moving around, going shopping. I wore this to church Sunday. And then I just spread it out like this. There we go. And then I just kind of straighten this up around like that. Poof it up a little bit here and there. Put my little cardigan kind of over it. Let's see. Because I want this part. Not that it matters. It's under my cardigan, so nobody sees it. But I would like for it to lay a little flat. Anyway, and that keeps your shawl together. So you don't have to worry about it anymore. You don't have to worry about it coming loose on you. Because see, it's tied together right there with that rubber band. Now, I'll be wearing this one tomorrow, and it's a lot bigger. So whenever I tie the little knot in it like this, it's more down here. This one, like I said, is half the size of this one. So, you know, kind of a difference in that. Yeah. Anyway, so, all right, let's move on. I'm excited about that. I will leave the pattern I will leave the tutorial to this and the pattern, the PDF pattern in the link below. So I did go to Joann's and I did get a little small something the other day. I had a $10 reward plus some coupons. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so what I ended up buying at Joann's the other day is I bought this book. And I believe it's like, yeah, $19.99, but I had $10 in reward money, so I bought this book. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. I know quite a few of these, or maybe probably even all of them. You can find tutorials, free tutorials and patterns on the internet, but I like the idea that it was all in one book, and it was only $10 for it. But there is some really cool stuff in here. And I just thought this would be a lot of fun when I need some of these. I really like this one. I just thought it'd be a lot of fun whenever I need some of these little quick projects like this. So yeah, so I was pretty excited to go ahead and snatch this book up. Okay. Anyway, so the next thing I got is I'm wanting to make me some, I guess, scrubbies, some bath scrubbies things. And so I want to try this with that. So I'll let you guys know about what I think about that. And the other thing is this Big Twist Freelance. And I'm pretty excited about this. I just think the colors are beautiful. It should be a 4-weight, yeah. Let's see what it says. Medium 4-weight. Of course, this is exclusive to Joann's. Oops, it's upside down. There we go. Purple, red, orange Malta. Made in Turkey. Should be 100% acrylic. Yeah, 100% premium acrylic freelance. 206 yards. But look at that, guys. Isn't that just beautiful? I am definitely making me a hat and scarf with this. I just think that'd be so pretty. So yeah, so that is what I bought at Joann's with reward money and stuff that I had. And coupons and all that good stuff. Yeah. I'm so excited over that. That yarn is beautiful, and I'm in love with that book. There's so much. I'll be able to use that book all year long, just like I will the Stringy Ding Ding, the Sea Creature book. I think both of those two books, I will crochet stuff out of them all year. So the other thing is, I did order something from Annie's. So let's take a look at that one. So I ordered this off of Annie's, And I can't remember how much I paid for the book. I think maybe $6.99. And you get this free cat cup right here. Annie's Fancy Cat Mug. Come in this nice, cute little box. And then here's the cup. I just thought it was so cute. Here's the back side. I don't have any cats, but I love cats. And I would actually love to have a cat. But with 3 dogs, I can't right now. But I used to have cats at one time. Only one cat at a time, though. Anyway, and I just thought these were so cute. Look at that. So, guys, you know which ones I'm making first. It's going to be the dog. Then I want to make this for my great niece. And I didn't realize it. I thought that was all there is. But I didn't even notice that bee up there. But if you turn it over, there's the bee. Isn't it adorable? I was like, oh, that is so cute. Yeah, I want to make that for my little great niece for her birthday. I think that she will really like that. Anyway, and apparently it comes with blanket patterns as well. There's the bee. There's the penguin. And there's that little unicorn. I just think it's so cute. Oh, that'd be real cute for Valentine's Day. Look at that. Very cute. And there's a blanket. There's another blanket. There's a basket. So there's the dog. Was this save $10 off your next online order of $25 or more? So I'm sure I'm going to use that. And then they gave me this catalog. It says Annie's Kit Clubs. They have tons of kit clubs. Tons. I can't even keep up with them. They've got so many. So, yeah. So that was my Annie's order that I got. Let's see if I can put this stuff up a little close. Here we go. Okay. Wasn't that cool? I think that book is going to be a lot of fun to work out of. And the little cat cup is just adorable. So that's all that I have for this video. Let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. It says, as I love. To you who are willing to listen, I say, love your enemies. Do good to those who hate you. Bless those who curse you. Pray for those who hurt you. Luke 6:27 and 28. God, even you who are love itself have an enemy, and he is mine as well. He acts through everyone who provokes envy, self-doubt, condemnation, or thoughts of retaliation in me. Help me respond as you would, as you do, with open arms. As I love those who hurt me, I take away the power of the enemy. I make them a friend. If they don't love me back, so much the better. It gives me more to pray for, which in turn draws me closer to you. I bless those who have hurt me and ask you to touch their lives with your loving kindness. Is there someone who has hurt you that needs Jesus to touch their life? Wow, that's a pretty powerful one there. That's a really good one. All right, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this. I do have an affiliate link, by the way. I guess I could leave that for you guys below, and it will take you directly to this. And in case you decide to purchase it, and it'll help me a little on the way. So then I hope you guys have enjoyed the shawl. Please go check that out. Winter's coming, and I like this. I think it's a perfect alternative to wearing a scarf. You know, I just love it. I love scarves, don't get me wrong, but I think this is a good alternative when you don't want to wear the scarf. You want more of this kind of look. I do plan on making a hat to go with this because, you know, that's me. I gotta have a set, don't I? Tomorrow's video, I will show you the finished product of this. It's done. I'll be wearing this one. And, oh, and I have some Premier Big Tweed yarn that I got in, and I will show that to you guys too. So yeah, so stay tuned in for tomorrow's video, and just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.